I'm here in LAX Terminal 1, where we're going to take a Southwest flight to Austin, where we'll spend the next 5 days. Let's go for this next part of the journey. We're on our Southwest flight. It's going to be a 3-hour trip to Austin. Our first time to Texas. How do you feel about going to Texas?
Don't mess with Texas.
Yeah. Driving across Giga, Texas now, just to give you a sense of how big this place is. So you're going to see Giga, Texas on the right. Look at how huge this place is. We're driving at about 63 miles per hour, or more than 100 kilometers per hour. That's how fast we're going. And just look at how long this place goes on and on. Can you see Elon waving at you? Can you see his mom? So Elon and his mom were at Giga Berlin during the opening party last October. We may see them tomorrow night.
Now your destination is on the right.
I see somebody, but I'm not sure whether it's Elon Musk.
If he's on Twitter, then it's probably Elon. Wow. Wow. We are here at Giga, Texas. Just look at this place. It's huge. This is the shorter end. The whole Giga, Texas building is a large rectangle. And we're actually in the shorter edge of it. We are in the leftmost edge of Giga, Texas. If you've seen those drone videos, there are amazing drone videos up there. In 2 days' time, this place will be hosting the Cyber Rodeo. Up to 15,000 guests coming over here. And you'll see parking lots over there. I believe that's for staff, not actual production cars yet. And of course, it's still being built. On top, they are laying solar panels right now. And some believe that the solar panels will form the Tesla logo. So you can actually see staff were waving at us earlier. Coming here, of course, we had to come with a Tesla Model 3. No other car, no less. We're going to try more Tesla models in the next few days here in Austin. Yeah. You know how in the past, like first day in a new country, we'd try like McDonald's, Shake Shack, or visit a Tesla store. Coming to Austin, the first place we came to, Giga, Texas. It's been a magical first day in Austin. We got to see Giga, Texas live with our own eyes for the first time. To me, that's like going to Disneyland. That's how much of a Tesla fan I am. I was really happy today, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity to be here. All across the world, 18 hours flight from Singapore to the US. And here's a preview of what's coming up next. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, I'm going to experience the Tesla Model S Plaid for the first time, the world's fastest production car. On Thursday, we visit Giga, Texas. On Friday, Tesla Owners Austin Club is organizing TeslaCon that brings the broader Tesla community together. And hopefully I get a chance to meet people like Dave Lee and a few words with them. On Saturday, we are going to drive 6 hours down southeast to Boca Chica to see Starbase. As much of a Tesla fan I am, I'm a much bigger SpaceX fan. I love space, and that's a more inspiring thing for me, just making humanity a multi-planetary species. I've always loved sci-fi films, so I'm ready to nerd out this weekend. So after the 6-hour drive, we hope to see Starship, take a few photos of them, have a look at Starbase. We'll drive back to Austin on Sunday. On Sunday evening, we'll take another domestic flight back to LA. We'll spend one more day there before taking a Singapore Airlines flight home to Singapore. I want to talk a little bit more about life in the US compared to life in Singapore. As you see in many of our videos, we don't have to wear masks indoors and outdoors. Life is pretty normal. There are a few exceptions. We do wear masks when we take an Uber, in the airport, public transit, and some high traffic tourist locations like the Griffith Observatory. Otherwise, no Trace Together app. You walk in any building, you walk out as you please, no gantries, no barriers. It's quite an eye-opening experience, and I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. If you found this video insightful and useful, you like the behind the scenes, please click the like button and hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Good night, signing off from Austin.